Hello, welcome to the quick video tutorial series all about Gatekeeper. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a local backend portal. What is a local backend? Local backend is a directory service that runs on and local to your AccessEnforcer. It's only accessible from the AccessEnforcer, and it will enable you to use AccessEnforcer. It will enable you to use Gatekeeper without Active Directory. So how do you configure it? First things first, sign into your AccessEnforcer, then head over to the Security tab, and then Gatekeeper. From here, we'll give our portal a name, call it local dir, and then we'll select this new field, backend type, and we'll set it to local. As you can see, that gets rid of most of the configuration options. And now we can head over here, punch in our end user URL. And we'll give it our enrollment password. And click Save. The AccessEnforcer will reconfigure itself. Alrighty. Now we have a local directory service running on our AccessEnforcer. So the next step is to add users to our directory. So to do that, we head over to the Users tab, and then under User Management, you can see your list of current users, and here's where you add a new user. As you can see, we have a new user type. If you click it, you can select Local. These are users that are specific to Gatekeeper. So let's go ahead and add one. We'll select local. And we'll set a fake phone number. And we'll give it a password. And click Save. All right. There you can see the user has been added. So the next steps are we need to invite the user that we just created. If we wanted to, we could create a bunch more users and invite them in bulk. And then after that, we'll create rules. So check out our other videos for information on how to do that. And thanks for watching.